Hi everyone, this is Elizabeth,
And my name's Taryn.
and this is Artistic Expression. This video isn't just about us. It's about every one of us who held a hand, changed a life, or stayed after our clinicals just to make sure someone felt seen.
So we went out and asked strangers a simple question. What do nurses mean to you? Because sometimes we forget, but we wanted to remind you guys.
How would you describe a nurse in one sentence?
I would say that nurses are super caring people that are often with you in the times that you need them the most.
What qualities come to mind when you think of a great nurse?
Somebody passionate and caring about the true patient.
How would you describe a nurse in one sentence?
In one sense, I would say they are nurses are caring and very patient.
How do nurses stand out?
They stand out because they're always caring and they make sure that their patients always have what they need, and they just show Jesus in their actions, being kind and just making sure that you are well taken care of.
How would you describe nurses in one word?
I would describe a nurse in one word as nurturing.
I think nurses contribute to the overall success of a healthcare team.
Yeah, so nurses contribute to the overall success of healthcare teams in many facets. Starting off, they're the front line for all patients, and so it's vital for the nurses to have be able to interact with patients in a variety of different ways, be able to connect in a way that maybe some doctors can't. Nurses are also essential for getting any type of medical procedure done. They are kind of the hands and feet of the medical system, and having good nurses in a hospital is vital to success for both the doctors and for the patients.
How would you describe a nurse in a sentence?
I would say a nurse is caring and very knowledgeable.
If you could describe a nurse in one word, what would it be?
I would say organized and caring.
Perfect.
One word I would use to describe nurses would be amazing.
Galatians 5:13, serve one another humbly in love. As nursing students, this verse reminds us that every task, whether it's big or small, it's an act of love. Whether it's comforting a patient, listening with empathy, or simply being present. It's not just doing a job, it's living out our calling to serve others with compassion. Nursing is love in action, and I'm so grateful for the chance to serve humbly, just as Christ taught us.
To our professors who shaped us and to the classmates who stood behind us, we carry your lessons, your strength, and your heart with us as we step into the world as nurses. Thank you for being a part of this journey.